Here are 5 times where I recommend supplementing your diet with IgG immunoglobulins. Number 1, you have diarrhea or loose stools. One of the most common causes of diarrhea is way too many toxins in the gut that forces the intestines to hold on to more water and flush them out of the system. So supplementing with IgG immunoglobulins can help to bind up these toxins and help bulk up the stool. Number 2, you have a leaky or inflamed gut. Now, the IgG immunoglobulins can actually upregulate tight junction proteins. These are the proteins that keep our intestinal cells stitched closely together. So taking IgG immunoglobulins can help support healthier gut barriers. Number 3, you're taking any antimicrobial of any kind, anything with a kill action in the gut microbiome, whether it be antibiotics, antifungals, antiparasitic medications. These are all going to release toxins in the gut, so I never recommend doing any of these things without something that's going to bind up the toxins. Otherwise, it can overwhelm the liver. Number 4, you have food sensitivities, and number 5, you have environmental allergies. Both of these are immune responses that happen in the gut. IgG immunoglobulins can dampen inflammatory immune responses in the gut, which is how they can ease symptoms of food sensitivities and also seasonal allergies. Now, supplemental immunoglobulins will not function exactly as your own internal antibodies, but what they will do is free up your immune system to focus on more pressing tasks. You can find these immunoglobulins in Cleanse Daily Gut Detox.